How to create Blue Sky account step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Blue Sky account, so make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device. Search for Blue Sky in the search bar. Locate the official Blue Sky app from the result. Download and install the Blue Sky app. Once the installation is complete, open the Blue Sky app. Tap on Create Account. Enter your email address, create a password, and enter your date of birth in the designation. Tap on Next. Select a unique username for your Blue Sky profile. Choose a profile photo from your device's photo library. Tap on Continue. Browse through the list of interests and select the categories that interest you. Tap on Continue. Tap on Let's Go to access your Blue Sky feed. And that's how you create a Blue Sky account. You can now start exploring the platform, following other users, posting your own thoughts, and engaging in conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts on Blue Sky. Thanks for watching.